Good afternoon. Welcome back to our Luo lessons. My name is Christine Aluoch. Today I want us to talk about words that are pronounced the same but have different meanings in Luo. So the difference could be in form of pronunciation as far as stress and intonation is concerned. Some are verbs, others are used as nouns, others as adjectives, while others, in both cases, they are of the same part of speech. Now I want us to begin with the word rem. Rem. Rem as a noun means pain, and it also means less than expected. Another meaning of the word rem is to fail. She has failed, you'll say orem. Then we have the word liel. So when you say liel, we're talking about a funeral or a grave. But then when you talk about liel, it means that it is burning, present continuous tense. Then you can also say liel to mean shave. Shave your hair. Lielwi, shave your hair. Then we have budo and bodo. Now when you say budo, we are referring to a crop or a plant that is eaten. It can be boiled for breakfast. The leaves can also be cooked as vegetables. Then we have bodo. Bodo, a meeting or a group of people resting. You can say that. Gebudo. Then we have the word ndalo. Ndalo. So ndalo is the word for farms. Probably in Siaya, the Luos in Siaya refer to a farm as ndalo. Then we have ndalo. Ndalo to mean days or a season or specific times. Then we have iko or eko. When you say iko, it means burial. Then when you say eko, we are talking about to prepare or to mature as far as plants are concerned. Then we have rikni and rikne. So when we say rikni, we are talking about being hasty. Then rikne is talking about being aggressive. We have a word like tuoyo. Tuoyo or tuoyo. Now when we say tuoyo, we are talking about to make something dry, to dry it, tuoyo. Then when we talk about tuoyo, we are talking about somebody taking care of a sick person. So, o tuoyo jatuo, meaning she is there taking care of a sick person. Then tuoyo again can mean insisting. For example, if you're insisting on a fact, you don't want somebody to argue against your point, then we say tuoyo. Then we have ler or ler. Now when you say ler, we are talking about cleanliness. Ler, cleanliness. Ler can also mean light or bright. Then when somebody says ler, explain or tell us, talk about it in details. Then we have yueyo and yueyo. So yueyo means to breathe or to rest. But when you say yueyo, it means to sweep. Then again we have rido or rido. Now when we talk about rido, we mean to tighten, make something tight, or to be strict on something. Rido. Then rido means to slope, making it slope down the slope or to go down the slope. Rido. Then we also have chiel and chiel. Now when we say chiel, that's a verb to mean fry. Chiel, fry. You fry something like an egg or food. It can also mean as a verb to fence. Chiel, fence. as a verb. Then again, chiel. Chiel is a noun that is referring to a fence. So the noun is a fence. The verb is to fence or to fry. Then we have riwo or rewo. When you say riwo, we are talking about to delay something. To delay something. Then rewo means to add or added. Then we have another word like chien or chien or chien. So when you talk about chien, we are talking about behind. Chien, it is behind. Chien. Then we have chien. That's a haunting thing. Then chien as a verb, to haunt. To haunt. Then we also have dongo or dongo. So when you say dongo, we are talking about big things. Gigo dongo. They are big things. Then dongo, it is growing or it is getting bigger. We can also say it is progressing. Dongo. Then we have tindo. Tindo. Both are pronounced more or less the same, but tindo can mean very small things. Those things are small. Gigo tindo. Then tindo as a verb to mean to take in small bits. Maybe when a baby is eating food in small bits, we say tindo or tindo chiemo. Then we also have yen, though some call it yath. So in both cases, when you say yen, yen can be used to mean tree or trees. It can also mean medicine. The same applies to yath. Yath can mean a tree. The same yath can be used to mean medicine or a drug. Then we have ye or ye. So ye is faith. Faith. Or we can talk about an agreement. Yes, like they agreed. Then we also have ye, that is a noun, a boat or a canoe, depending on what you're familiar with. Then we have yedi and yedi. Yedi is the plural form of a boat. Yes, the plural of ye is yedi. So those are many boats. Then we have yedi. Yedi as a verb. It means peel. Peel something, maybe a potato or an orange or a fruit. Yedi. Then lastly we have kwan or kwan. So kwan, both of them are, okay, there is the noun, which is calculations, kwan. Kwan, calculations. Then we have kwan, meaning to calculate, the verb. Then again we talk about tielo. Tielo. Tielo means feet, somebody's feet or somebody's foot. It is in the singular, sorry. Or it can also mean to press something. Tielo, to press something down. So that is what we had for today. We'll meet again in the next lesson talking about something different. Have a good afternoon.